Lord Sarfang. How many do you think?
Too many. There is no honor in this. They will come for us now. All of them!
My father, Hikazi. He fought with you in the Third War. He told me stories. How you could cut down 10 enemies with a single blow. This be my first battle. What should I do?
Don't die.
Yes, of course, but if I do fall, may it be with honor, in glorious combat.
There will be no glory today. Only pain. You have earned your warrior's death, my son. Yet once again, I am denied it.
What are you doing?
Claiming what is mine. Go back. I said go back! Live another day. Go back to your father.
I can't. He's dead. The Horde. It's all we have.
So, you know me. Is that it? What I've seen? What I've done? Oh, give up, boy.
Like you? Live another day.
Without honor?
The World Stone. It was the power of creation and the birth of our eternal conflict. From the high heavens to the burning hells, our desire to control that power poisoned its very nature. And so, I gave my life to destroy it. But its corruption spread. If humanity is to survive, they must stand together and face the rising darkness. Though, that may not be enough.
The swarm brought ruin to our world. Our proud people became refugees. And yet, they could not shatter our unity. For we are bound by the Kala, the sacred union of our every thought and emotion. Today, we retake our homeworld. And with it, our legacy.
Impressive, Archer. But you'll need to do better than that.
You have no idea what I am capable of.
Good. Because you must be ready for anything.
Yield!
You show promise, Hanzo. Well done. But greater challenges still await us.
I believe we are ready.
It's time to find out.
A king has fallen. A father. A friend. A warrior. Defender of the Alliance. He was a beacon of hope. A leader without measure. A man who would never accept defeat. He was our shield against the storm. Wherever he has gone, Varian Rin will remain a hero. Always.
My turn. Time for you to graze. Oh, nicely done. Hey. Oh, welcome. Come, warm your frozen boots by the fire.
Sure. Where am I?
Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you? Well, there's a place.
And there's a time.
Well met.
When the magic of the board becomes alive.
And you'll have all that you can do just to survive.
Before an orc or ogre tries to take your hide.
I'm not ready.
But fear not, don't you know? A hero lies inside of you. In time you'll see it's true. From taverns here in Azeroth to inns in distant lands far off, Stone Brew will spin a tale or two.
So shed your cares and just relax.
Here, have a seat.
Don't you fret about the monster with the axe.
He'll soon be beat.
You'll need some cards. Come follow me. Time to compete. Wait so that and you will bring him to his knees. Now on your feet.
If you're not sure just where you are, well, let us make it clear for you. This is a place that magic has graced, and it's calling out for you.
Take and play Heartstone! Where big or small, it doesn't matter. The tavern's always filled with laughter.
At firesides where heroes gather.
Heartstone is home.
Where doors await inside of dungeons.
Where fights are fair, no stomping banyans.
For the young at heart,
And a few curmudgeons.
so sheath your sword and prep your deck.
I think he's gonna
Summon creatures, command heroes, protect your neck.
Maybe he'll just
You seek fun,
What?
or just rest.
I think he's worth
Expect the battles, beasts, and brawls to be the best.
And once you've won, you'll finally come to learn that sometimes random fun deserves at least a turn or two. So face your fears and clear your ears of everyone that's cheering here. Rise up and do what you must do. Actually, it's legendary. For those who are brave and seek adventure.
The tavern's always on its center.
You'll get it.
For the dim of wit or really clever.
I think he's really gonna smite you.
Right to your god, he doesn't bite you. You must think really quick.
The rope is lit.
Make him submit.
Commit to it!
The time is right now.
Play nice.
Heartstone is home! Oh yeah. I sound great.
Diablo was defeated. For a time it seemed we would know peace. But it was not to be. For Diablo's essence lingers in the Black Soul Stone. I cannot destroy the stone, nor allow its evil to remain within the heavens. And so it must be hidden, even from the angels. I pray that it will be enough. You have done well, Horadrim. Your service here is finished, and you should all run. Malthael. him!
Brother. Why? The Nephilim will stop you.
No one can stop death.
And at the end of days, the first sign shall appear in the heavens. Justice shall fall upon the world of men. The armies of light and shadow will clash across the fields of eternity. Leah, are you all right, my girl?
It was nothing, Uncle. Just a bad dream. We should be getting you home.
But there's still work to be done. If these translations are correct, the powers of hell could already be on the move. The world must be told of the coming darkness. You do believe me, don't you, Leah? It has begun.
Leave it, Uncle. It's not important.